Umberto Eco OMRI was an Italian medievalist, philosopher, semiotician, novelist, cultural critic and political and social commentator. In English, he is best known for his popular 1980 novel The Name of the Rose, a historical mystery combining semiotics in fiction with biblical analysis, medieval studies and literary theory, as well as Foucault's Pendulum, his 1988 novel which touches on similar themes. Eco wrote prolifically throughout his life, with his output including children's books, translations from French and English, in addition to a twice-monthly newspaper column La Bustina di Minerva in the magazine L'Espresso beginning in 1985, with his last column appearing 27 January 2016. At the time of his death, he was an emeritus professor at the University of Bologna, where he taught for much of his life. Eco was born on 5 January 1932 in the city of Alessandria, in Piedmont in northern Italy, and he attended high school there. His father, Giulio, one of 13 children, was an accountant before the government called him to serve in 3 wars. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.